Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to add an option to a built-in or predefined selection field in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to add the phone attribute in our custom module for Odoo 19. Now, when I go to here in our library, currently we are in the library management. Now, if I go to the contact module and open any of the records, you can see here in the call, this is particular number. You can see here there are two options are showing by default when I click here, call and SMS. So, how to apply such functionality in our custom module for Odoo 19? Let's see. It is very simple. All we need to do add a small widget known as phone. But before that, let's see here in our library management. There is a person model and here there are various views. Here it is our phone field. Currently, phone and SMS options are not showing. Now what to do? Let's see. First, you need to go to the code. Here in our code, search for that particular field in the person's view. In the person, search for in here form. Yes, it is here. Now, all you need to do is simply add a widget is equals to phone. It is very simple and small. Quickly restart your server. Go to the browser. Go to the apps. Upgrade your module. Then go to the library management, open person's view, open any of the record, and when now you can see here you can see call and SMS button are shown. When you click on call, it will ask to or teleport to the calling as per the if you have installed VoIP module then. So let me quickly summarize today's topic. If you want such type of functionality of call and SMS here as shown here like button, all you need to do first you need to add a field of phone and then simply add the attribute in the XML view known as widget is equals to phone. Then quickly restart your server and upgrade your module. You will be seeing this functionality. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.